Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Igbe here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. We are in a new week, and that means I am back with new remote job leads. So in today's video, we're going to be focusing on CareMetx, and CareMetx has data entry, customer service type of roles that are open and accepting applications right now. We're going to be exploring 3 of them. Let's go through them one at a time. The first one is titled Data Entry Specialist. Okay, this is a data entry role, as the title implies, and you are going to be maintaining and documenting information into different databases. You are going to be ensuring that information that are currently existent in those databases are accurate, and you're going to also be running reports based on those information, compiling that information together and potentially sharing it for a recommendation for changes and so forth. Okay, and what you're asking for this role is 1 year experience of professional work experience in any customer service or healthcare environment. That's really all they need for this role. So if you have worked in a professional capacity whatsoever in customer service or in healthcare, you should be eligible to apply for this position. That is pretty much it. And for this position, usually the salary range, based on my research, is between $19 and $21 per hour. So if you have been looking for a data entry role that is more entry level, this will be the position for you, because the experience is only 1 year or more to be eligible, and you do not have to have done data entry in the past to be eligible for this position. All right, so we're going to move on to the second role. The second role is titled Reimbursement Specialist. This role, as the title implies, you are going to be focusing a lot on different reimbursement initiatives. So within the organization, you will be responsible for making sure that reports that has to do with reimbursement are reflected accurately in terms of information contained in them, and you're going to be sharing those information to decision makers. You are going to be coordinating and working with people to ensure that payers that they have in those systems have accurate information reflected, so that when claims are being submitted, they are being submitted accurately as well. Okay, so with this position, what they are asking for in terms of requirements, they want you to have a high school diploma or GED. And in addition to that, you need to have 1+ years of experience in specialty pharmacy, medical insurance, physician's office, healthcare setting, or related experience. So if you have any one of this, you should be eligible to submit your application for this position. The salary range, based on research as well, is very similar to the first, which is between $19 and $21 per hour. So obviously depending on the level of experience. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next role. The next role is customer support / data entry. So this is a hybrid role between customer service and data entry, and with this position, it means you will be on the phone sometimes and also be performing data entry types of functions at some part of the role as well. So it seems to me from the summary of the duties and responsibilities, is going to be a 50-50 type of division between both. Okay, in terms of requirements for this role, you need to have a high school diploma, 1 year or more experience in a call center environment. You're talking about having specialty pharmacy, commercial insurance, patient assistance programs, but those are preferences and they are not required. And also medical terminology knowledge is a preference as well, but it's not a requirement. So really the only requirement is just having a high school diploma or GED, and obviously 1 year of experience in a call center type of environment, then you're good to go. So with the skills and knowledge and requirements and so forth, they're talking about learning quickly. All of these are more skill set. These are things that you have acquired over time just by being an employer in any organization. So you would have sort of adopted these skill set, being able to problem solve, customer service skills, interpersonal skills, and so forth. Okay, so with this position as well, the salary range is the same, which is the $19 to $21 per hour. So definitely check this role out. Before we close this video, I do want to just appreciate every single one of you. I'm really grateful for you guys being here. Thank you for the support. So if there are some particular roles that you've been looking for that you would like for me to do research on, please definitely leave it in the comments. If you're going through the process of getting the role, you submitted your application, you were called for an interview, you've done the screening, and you're kind of waiting, all of those type of updates really help us as a community, because it's an encouragement for people going through the process and they are getting success. Okay, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys again so much for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye bye.